Ito na po yan guys. So, okay. So, ito na po guys yung NBA 2K26 by Leo Gaming. So, update po yan. Tapos may Leo Gaming New Jersey Courts din po yan. 76ers, Milwaukee Bucks, si Lillard, Chicago Bulls, yan, si Garland, si Cavaliers, Celtics, Holiday, Clippers, Grizzlies, Hawks, same pa rin. And Hornets, Utah Jazz, Sacramento Kings, Knicks. Okay, Lakers, same pa rin. Okay, Dallas, Brooklyn Nets, Nuggets, Indiana Pacers. Yun, so may bago naman po tayong update dito sa may NBA, tuping NBA 2K26 by Leo Gaming, no? So, napakaangas nito guys, gawan po natin siya ng tutorial, no? So, subscribe na rin kayo kay Leo Gaming, okay? So, i-review po natin siya at gagawa ng tutorial kung paano po siya download, okay? So, una-una guys, ito po yung link natin guys. So, ito pong link na to is nandiyan na po sa my pin comment section. Okay, so open nyo lang yan guys, then click po natin itong open. Okay, open nyo lang yung link dyan guys. So, magdadirect po yan dito sa my blogspot ni Pinex Official. Okay, so ito na po yan guys, NBA 2K26. So, napakadali lang i-download nito guys. So, scroll down nyo lang po siya pababa guys. Okay, so ito na po yan guys, NBA 2K26 na version 0.98 APK at yung OBB nya. Okay, so una natin i-download guys. Tapos kung nag-ano rin siya guys, unable to load settings, so panoorin nyo lang to, yung video na to. Okay, so download na natin yung APK at OBB. So sa APK guys, sobrang dali lang yan guys, Mediafire lang po yan. Okay, so download nyo na po yan by Sir Leo Gaming po yan. Then click nyo po yung back guys, ito namang OBB yung i-download nyo. Okay, so may mga NBA 2K20 na kayo na OBB na unod nyo na i-download yan. So pag na-download nyo na guys yung mga files natin, okay, so open na po natin yung Z-Archiver. Then punta po tayo guys ng download, internal. Then ito na po yung na-download natin guys na OBB at ito po yung NBA 2K26 by Leo Gaming. Okay, so una-una natin gagawin guys is i-install natin tong NBA 2K26 ni Leo Gaming. Okay, so install natin yan. Click nyo lang guys yung more details. Hindi naman siya guys, hindi naman siya risking application na to. Wala lang kasi siya sa Play Store kaya nagaganyan po. Install anyway. Tapos kung may pin yung cellphone nyo, input nyo lang. Okay, then click natin guys yung open. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, hindi pa po yan mag-i-start. Click nyo po yung start sa baba. Hindi pa po siya mag-i-start kasi hindi pa natin nalalagay yung OBB nya. Okay, yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, click nyo allow. Yan, so pag may lumabas na ganyan guys, ibig sabihin may gagawin pa po tayo, okay? So sundan nyo lang yung gagawin natin guys. So back natin sa may Z-Archiver. So nakikita nyo tong na to guys, cam.tito.sports. So open nyo yan guys. Then itong dalawa na to guys, i-move natin yan sa may OBB folder. So click nyo yung tatlong dot sa may taas, then click nyo po yung multi-select. Oops, wait lang guys, click nyo yung multi-select, then select nyo itong dalawa, then hold nyo, then click nyo po is copy lang guys sa copy. Yan, then punta po kayo ng device storage, then punta po kayo ng Android, then punta po kayo ng OBB, then punta po kayo dito sa may cam.tito.sports. Dito nyo po siya ipipaste. Okay, so click nyo yung paste sa baba. Yan, tapos hintayin lang po natin yan guys matapos. Okay, so ito guys, fast forward na po natin guys para malaman nyo na agad yung next na gagawin na tutorial. Okay, fast forward na natin to. Yan guys, so ito na po yung OBB natin, main saka patch. Okay, so pag okay na yan guys, click na po natin yung back, then siguradong malalaro na po natin yung NBA 2K26. Okay, so hanapin natin NBA 2K26. So ito po yan guys, click natin yan. Then, click natin yung start sa baba. Okay. Yan na guys. Hinaan lang natin. Yan na guys, gumagana na siya. Hinaan ko lang yung volume. Yan. So pag may lumalabas na ganito yung Leo, hold nyo lang yan guys. Then dalhin nyo sa gilid. Okay. Ganyan lang rin yung pwede na, at ganyan lang rin yung gagawin natin sa ibang ano, sa ibang mga models na may JD, okay, MK. Tap screen to continue. Okay, so 2K knob natin guys. Then click natin yung load. Yan load, yes. So ito na po yan guys. So okay, so ito na po guys yung NBA 2K26 by Leo Gaming. So ni-update po yan. Tapos may Leo Gaming New Jersey courts din po yan. Okay, so click na po natin NBA 2K26 na Leo Gaming. Click natin yung back, then click po natin yung options, then manage roster. So makikita nyo guys yan, updated na po yan. 76ers, Milwaukee Bucks, si Lillard, Chicago Bulls, si yan, si Garland, si Cavaliers, Celtics, Holiday, Clippers, Grizzlies, Hawks, same pa rin. And Hornets, Utah Jazz, Sacramento Kings, Knicks. Okay, Lakers, same pa rin. Okay, Dallas, Brooklyn Nets, Nuggets, Indiana Pacers, Pelicans, okay, Detroit, okay, Houston Rockets, okay. So, mga updated na po yan guys, lahat. Yan, Spurs, San Antonio, Phoenix, okay, Oklahoma, okay, Conley. Okay. So, start na nga po natin to guys. Click natin yung play now. Then, click natin yung quick game. So, piliin muna natin guys ang yan, Indiana Pacers uli. At ang Oklahoma OKC. Okay, dito tayo sa may Indiana Pacers. Okay, so yan na po, start na nga po natin. Sino? Tyrese Haliburton. Benefit mo ito sa ano to, Indiana. May Miles Turner, Indiana Pacers din to, diba? Obi Toppin, Pascal Siakam, Indiana Pacers yung mga yan. And syempre sa OKC, si Shai, diba, nandiyan sa Thunder, Alex Caruso. Okay, so start na nga natin gameplay guys para ganda ng ano niya, ganda ng graphics niya guys. Oops, foul pa nga, black and foul. Okay. Box out. Doon ako mga OKC, no? Naka-OKC yan. Sa atin naman yung bola, bawi tayo guys. Ganda ng ano yung ganda ng graphics nyo, no? Pam! Nako. Uy, grabe, tambak tayo guys. Ito pwede. Kailangan natin makabawi. Pass. Nice one. Tres. Tres na tres yan, boy. Ano ka ngayon, ha? Okay. Awas.
Here's Turner. To the paint. Tipped. 8 away. Shot is good.
Pinapos.
They were ready for him right there. I mean,
Tambak.
totally collapsed the defense on him.
And just over a minute played here in the start of the game.
Foul pa nga. Foul natin si Caruso.
And he knocks down the first one.
Hey.
Good on both.
Okay, so pasa lang natin yun din, guys. Hey.
From deep. He's all alone.
Tambak na tayo. Dumakdak pa. Bam.
Another basket here, and they have really come out of the gates fast in the
Okay,
first
pasa natin
quarter.
kay Haliburton.
And the Pacers with possession here. Just over a minute and a half played here in this one. And they get it.
Sumobro lang na konti.
Can't get it to go.
Talo na.
Aren't dropping yet. They've missed four
Talo na
of the first
tayo.
5 shots.
And it's going to be out of bounds. The Pacers will take it.
Out of bounds. Para sa kanila yata yung bola.
Really a pretty basic
Hawakan yata natin. Hindi sa atin.
And it's the Pacers with the ball. Here in the first quarter with about 2 minutes gone by. Trying his luck deep. It's rebounded by Oklahoma City.
Grabe naman yun.
Richmond off his game
Ay,
this
pumasok
quarter
ng mga
just a
tres
bit.
natin.
Hasn't been able to get a hold of the
Grabe naman yun.
And the Pacers call time.
Bawas naman. Finish. Grabe ka naman, sir. Hey.
Shakes off the
Yun,
strong
shoot mo na.
D and gets to the bucket for
Lamang na
2.
lamang na mga kayo.
He's got so much junk in his trunk. He'll find a way to hurt you.
Box out. Box out.
Let's go with the 3. And he gets the
Grabe, nagpuro ng tres.
He's got 5.
You know, there's no
Matanda
better
natin
sign
po ng
of
tres
how
sa Haliburton,
efficiently
ha?
the team is operating than their assist number. And theirs are fantastic.
Trying to come right back with
Oh.
the 3 of his own. But it's no good.
Baba.
Gilgeous Alexander. Banked in off the glass.
Bakas naman ako kasi. Kaya pa natalo ako kasi. Ayun nga lang
Guys
dyan.
are looking for a way to score here.
Yeah, they've had a tough time getting the lid off the basket so far.
Pas.
The second chance effort.
Lakas.
Kept alive by Indiana. Ball's knocked loose.
Agaw pa.
Inside. Lays it up and in on a
Tambak
nice
pa na nga.
reverse.
They're really struggling defensively, giving up too many easy buckets.
And we're approaching about 3.5 minutes played in the
Puro
first
tres lang
quarter.
kasi alam natin ano.
And once
Bam,
again
eh.
off the mark by
Yun
Indiana.
guys, nasa hanggang dito na lang po yung ano natin, gameplay natin. Tapusin pa ba? Talong-talo na.
Second touch on the finger roll.
Dito, 29 seconds pa to. Laban
He's
to.
got 12.
They're forcing the ball inside, and it's working beautifully.
Turner. No good. They had a chance to end the run
So
there.
God bless po sa ating lahat. Sundin nyo lang po yung tutorial, no?